Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this tutorial we will go over alternative text, also known as alt text, in Google Sites. I will also share some tips on using alt text. Alt text is nearly always associated with imagery on a web page. It is used to describe the image to users. This is especially useful if the image is not showing up and for users with screen readers. In this tutorial, we will start off by uploading an image. However, the same steps can be used to add alt text to an image already on Google Sites. To get started, go to your Google site. Click on the images icon in the upper right corner. Click on Upload. Then navigate to the image that you want to upload. When your image has finished uploading, click on the three vertical dots in the Options pop-up. Note, for images already on the site, you may have to click on the image more than once for the dots to show up. In the menu that appears, click on Alt Text. In the pop-up that appears, type in your alt text. Alt text should be full sentences, but also be short and descriptive. If you find that a concise sentence is not forthcoming or easy, then you may want to use a caption. You may follow the previous steps to add a caption to the image. Or you can do what many textbooks do, refer to the image, which they have also titled and captioned, and explain what the image represents. In that case, however, you may want to reconsider if you need the image at all. When you are done typing your alt text, click on Apply. Then click on Publish. Follow the on-screen steps to publish or update your Google site. Then view your site. In some browsers, hovering over the image will let you see alt text of the image. I will quickly add another image to my site but without alt text. Then add a third image with alt text but break the link. Finally, I will also add some regular text. Let's see how a screen reader will handle this.
1 Google Sites, alt text on images. Graphic 1 of Coley's Prusa Mini 3D printers sitting idle. Unlabeled graphic to get missing image descriptions, open the context menu. Custom embed frame graphic Canisius College logo. 3D printing is an up-and-coming, at least commercially, technology. In general, the process is you create a 3D object, slice it using a slicer, and then get the sliced data, called G-code, to a 3D printer. The 3D printer will then use the information on the G-code to melt a string of plastic known as filament and move the print head to place the melted filament on the bed and subsequent layers.
As you can see, although the screen reader did recognize there was an image there, it couldn't describe the image to the user. This can be very problematic if the image is more than just decorative. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.